Hi guys, this is Football Cards India and I've finally reached 2000 subscribers on YouTube. I'd like to begin with a little appreciation for all my subscribers. I'd like to thank each and every one of you all who supported me right from the time I started this channel to now when I have 2000 subscribers. So in order to show the appreciation that I have for you all, I have a small little competition. I know there's a competition which I yet have to announce the results for, but I just need my screen recorder to be working perfectly for that, and I've been working on that, and I'll be uploading that video really shortly as I'm well into getting the results for that. But I just saw that I had reached 2000 subscribers, so I thought I'll upload this video first, so there's a little more time for everyone to enter this competition, and I'll be giving you all a lot of time to get yourselves entered into this competition, and you have a chance of winning 3 of these Match Attax multi-packs. I've just got 2 right here in front of me, but I'll be adding another one to it, and I'll also be adding a lot of bonus cards into it. I've got some new equipment for recording videos as well, so I expect my videos to get a little better. So as you can see, probably it's a little different this video, the way it's being recorded, and this is how it's going to be in my future videos. It's just that there's going to be a little change in background there. There's going to be a different set maybe, but the main feature of this video is a chance to win these multi-packs. These are only released in India, as you can see. There's 15 cards plus 6 insert cards that you get in each of these. If you want to see what you get in these multi-packs, you can check out my previous videos, where I'm sure you can see most of these. I'll also be giving away cards that I will be pulling from the next booster pack that I open, along with this, all the insert cards probably, or something of that sort. But unfortunately, because of very high shipping costs and limitations due to all sorts of reasons, I won't be able to give away a complete booster pack. But probably once I reach around 2500 subscribers, I'll be giving that one away. So I think I'll leave that for 2500 subscribers. For now, I've got the 3 Match Attax multi-packs, which are available only in India. So basically it's a very easy competition to enter. It's absolutely free. All you have to do to be eligible to win this competition is subscribe to my channel. Of course, you need to be a subscriber, and you've got to like this video. And the third thing that you need to do is just comment down below in the comments that enter me, and you need to write the number of the comment. I mean, if you're the first person commenting, comment enter me and followed by the number, that is 1. If it's the 10th comment, you need to write enter me 10, and so on. So that's all that you have to do to enter this competition. Be a subscriber, like this video, and comment down below. It's as simple as that, and it's absolutely free. It's going to be drawn live on this channel, unlike my previous competitions where I've been using the randomizer on the computer. I won't be using a screen recorder for this one, and I will be doing this competition live. It's absolutely genuine, like all the previous competitions, and it's unlike a few people who give away to their friends. You can enter from wherever you are in this world. No matter where you are, it'll be sent to you if you're the winner. So I really appreciate you guys for the support that you all have been showing me. I hope that you all are entertained by my videos, and I will be continuing uploading videos every now and then. There have been videos every single day since a long time, and I intend to continue that. And I hope it's entertaining you all, and I hope you all continue giving me the support that you have been, and I'm sure I can improve on everything that I've been doing. I'm just really happy with the support, and I really hope that you'll like this competition. If there's anything else that you'd like to see in the next competition, I'll be happy to put that in once I hit 2,500 subscribers. So I'm really expecting a good support for this video, and I really wish to reach 2,500 subscribers really soon, so I can plan a really big giveaway at that time. But this is just a small thing, a little push that I feel which will help me, and which will help me give back to all my loyal subscribers. So I think that's it for now. Get going. Please share these videos on every social networking platform that you all can. Inform your friends and get them to subscribe to my channel, as it is absolutely free, and it's not only to subscribers in India but everywhere around the world. You're free to enter this competition. So sorry I've been talking for long. I'm just really happy, and I really don't know what to say, but I'm just going on. So I think that's it for this video. 3 multi-packs up for grab, absolutely free to enter. Please leave a like, please comment, please enter this competition, and I'll see you all in the next video. And hopefully really soon I'll be hitting the 2,500 subscribers mark and giving away some really cool merchandise. So that's it for now. Please get going, and see you all in the next video, and goodbye.